Loud recording, please. Sonia, go ahead.
Okay, sir. Hi, everyone. Hope all of you are doing super good. With immense pleasure, I welcome all of you to another weekly episode of Spin the Wheel presented by Featurepreneur. As I always say, this might be the day for many that would pay off for all the features you have developed, or be it your phenomenal participation in all the tech and non-tech events conducted by us. So before we begin, for all those who are new here, I would like to throw some light on how Spin the Wheel works. So for a participant's name to be on the wheel, he or she must have earned a minimum of, that is at least 2,300 tag coins. Once you're chosen as a winner for that week, your tag coins will be released. So in order to be part of next week's Spin the Wheel, you will have to back those 2,300 tag coins again. So speaking of tag coins, how does one earn these tag coins? You can either develop features or contribute your enthusiastic participation in all the tech and non-tech events conducted by us. As I mentioned earlier, Spin the Week is conducted every weekend. And unfortunately, if your name doesn't show up on the wheel for 7 consecutive weeks, that is, if you're not chosen as a winner for 7 consecutive weeks, don't worry. We will just release all your tag coins at the end of 7th week. So that was all about Spin the Wheel. I hope all of you are ready to back those tag coins. So I think we can go ahead and check the first lucky winner of this week. Shall we spin the wheel?
Shakti?
Yeah, Hari.
Jai Surya and Hemant are here. I think we have to add them.
ஓகே இந்த ட்ரை பண்ணுறோம். ரெக்கார்டிங் பாஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கேன்.
It's okay.
Okay. So let's see the first lucky winner of this week. Let's spin the wheel. Okay, the first lucky winner of this week is Kadambari for winning 4,166 tag coins. Have you joined us today? Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
So can you tell me how you won these tag coins? It's not a small amount.
Actually, this is teamwork. I helped the designing part.
Okay. So you were doing the front end? So which team were you part of? Like, what is your team name?
PyHackons.
PyHackons. Okay, great. So how is your experience with Featurepreneur so far? Like, are you having fun? Are you learning?
Yeah, I'm learning. Very nice. And it is interesting. Daily, I can learn new things.
Okay. We're very delighted that you're learning things. It's our pleasure. Thank you, Kadambari, and congratulations again. Keep participating.
Thank you.
All right. Okay, so let's check the next winner for this week. Let's see who gets the... Who's the second? Okay, as usual, one of our great Featurepreneurs. Congratulations, Gokul, on winning, I believe, 17,300 tag coins.
Yeah, thank you, Sonia. Thank you very much.
Yeah, so you should definitely tell us how you won this huge amount.
Yeah, actually won in taxi competition, I think in start of this month. And mostly not tech events only I got.
Okay, so how useful was the non-tech events for you? Usually people will be like, only tech is helpful, learn only from that. But then even non-tech contributes something, no? So what was the contribution to you?
Honestly, the main reason is I'm little bit weak in technical side. That's why I hopefully do very well good in non-tech.
Okay, but don't say that now you're part of Featurepreneur, you're going to be good at tech also.
Yeah,
not
course.
just non-tech. Yeah. So don't mind me asking too many questions to you because I know you're a great Featurepreneur that we have. So that's why.
Yeah,
so congratulations, Gokul.
Thank you.
Keep participating. Expecting you in the
Sure.
next week's Spin the Wheel as well.
Sure,
Okay.
sure.
Okay, so let's see the next lucky winner for today. Okay, as expected, little boys are the win. Congratulations on winning 4,600 tag coins.
Thank you, Sonia.
I just want to know one secret, okay? How is that little boys appear on every week's Spin the Wheel? And it's not just the minimum amount, it's way above it. Like, what do you guys do? I want to know.
We all do lots of work. Actually, I mostly participate, concentrate on posters and some of small features. For
Yes,
I
yes.
back this tag coins for that.
Yeah, I have to tell everybody, Advin makes most of our posters, which is like phenomenal. He has a very good, phenomenal
you.
designing talent. So congratulations on that, and keep
Thank you.
contributing. I'm going to keep torturing you for all the posters again.
Thank you. Sure.
Yeah, expecting you in the next week's Spin the Wheel as well. Congratulations, Advin.
Thank you.
So I think we can go for one more spin, Shakti.
Yeah, we can run one more.
Yeah, okay. So let's spin the wheel again. Yet again, a person from Little Boys team. Congratulations, Hari Prasad, on winning 4,300 tag coins. Hari?
Yeah, thank you so much.
So were you contributing on the design aspect as well, or you were doing features? What was your
No,
part?
I just participated in tech talks about Docker. In the session,
Okay.
we just want to watch the video and talk about the topics that we learned from the video. So I got that
Yeah.
that answer from that.
Yeah. So one more question for you. So like it's actually said when you see and learn, it's like when you learn it visually, it registers in your brain much harder than you just read through books. So how helpful was that session for you, like watching a video and learning?
Yeah, I learned really a lot from the watching video, and also other participants also say like we didn't know the points we didn't know.
Okay.
They will revise it.
Yes. Okay, that was interesting. Like it was like a brainstorming session for you as well. A lot of people contributed. Okay, congratulations, Hari Prasad, on winning. Expecting the next week's spin the wheel as well.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yeah, we can continue the spin, Sonia.
Okay, so let's spin one more. Okay, we have a couple of lucky winners today. So let's see who's the next lucky winner for this week. Congratulations, Divya. Hi, Divya.
Hi, Sonia. Thank you.
Yeah, like I want to know your secret also. Like I asked Adivin, how are you on every week spin the wheel?
Actually, there's no secret. I keep on doing my things right, and I'm getting those coins. That's all.
Yeah, but I have to appreciate you because I see you participating in most of the events conducted by Featurepreneur. Like you participate in STD's AMA also. So what is your view about all the events conducted by Featurepreneur in general, and which one is your favorite?
Yes, actually, all the events will create curiosity in us. What it will be and what we will learn today, and how much tag coins we'll bag on that event. And all of the events conducted by Featurepreneurs are in the same. My favorite event will be Neum Nanum and Time Trivia.
Oh, time trivia. Okay, Neum Nanum and time trivia. Okay, great.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for sharing that, Divya. Congratulations again, and you're doing a great work, like I always say. Expecting you in next week's Spin the Wheel as well. I hope Mridula is not jealous you're winning all the time. Okay.
Hope so. Yeah.
Congratulations, Divya.
Yeah, the last one, Sonia.
Okay, so yeah, so like Shakti said, the last spin. Congratulations, Charles, on winning 3,105 tag coins. Charles.
Hello.
Hi, Charles.
Yeah, thank
Didn't
you.
see you
Thank
for
you.
a while.
I was actually busy with other issue things actually. So, and
So yeah, so what is your view about Featurepreneur? Like, I think you've been part of Featurepreneur for quite a while, so you're seeing a progress in Featurepreneur, right? So
definitely.
what kind of progress are you seeing in Featurepreneur now?
I would I would say from when I joined to now, that's definitely like major progress in my opinion. Like I've seen it a lot, and with the level of creativity that I'm seeing, it's definitely amazing, really, that everybody's really bringing to the table. So I'm really happy about that. To
Okay,
see,
we're really glad. It means a lot hearing from you, Charles.
yes,
Yeah, so the usual question I ask you. So how did you earn these tag coins?
Um, I I really didn't do any in terms of features. I have been dormant for a while in terms of features actually. So I think
Okay.
it was just I would say be I guess just participation. I guess I would say. I think even in
Okay.
participation, I haven't done much though, and
Maybe
yeah,
I could build it up. He's a part of the admin group. Like he is evaluating how can we run the team better, how can we run the Featurepreneur better actually, and he's a part of the CAB meeting. I even forgot what is the full name for him. Yeah, it's like a admin meeting. So he's a part of the admin team, and
Okay.
he joins and he regularly contribute ideas. How can we run the Featurepreneur better? How can we bring some events? What are the events we have to run it? Something like that. We regularly sit down and talk. So he's a part of that team. So that might be the reason he's getting it. Because whoever participates in that team as well, we are also giving away some tag coins.
Okay, thank you for sharing that, sir. Like, I think your contribution is not as simple as you're putting it out. Like, you're just humbling yourself, Charles. But anyways, so anyways, keep contributing and congratulations on your win, Charles.
yeah. Thank you, Sonia.
So that was the last spin of this week's Spin the Wheel. Congratulations to all our participants and to all the winners as well. Expecting you in the next week's Spin the Wheel. So before we end, I know you guys are waiting for those two titles and to know the winners of those two titles. So the first title is Featurepreneur of the Week, and this week's Featurepreneur of the Week is Team MIT. Anybody from Team MIT joined us today?
Yeah, Sonia. Yeah, Shakti,
Oh,
Naveen, and
hi.
Sanath, team meeting.
Okay, a great team, I would say, strong team. So, Shakti, how do you feel about receiving this title? I
Yeah,
have
we
to
are
say
glad we
hard.
are winning this title the first time.
Okay. But hardcore contribution from your side, like your entire team, I have to tell you.
Yeah, sure.
So, like, just a few words about, let me say, Spin the Wheel itself, because you're like running it. How do you feel?
Yeah, this approach is different. It will promote others to do something better and innovative things. Because when we give some credit only, they will be motivated to do some special kinds of things or innovative things to meet the business needs of the clients. So this approach is really different and a phenomenal initiative from the Tag Labs.
Okay. Yes, that's very true. Thanks for sharing that, Shakti. It's very true. It's a very motivating event for everybody. Like, if you're not motivated enough, you cannot put forth your 100% out there. So, congratulations, Team MIT, on winning this week's Featurepreneur of the Week title.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
So the next title is Girl Featurepreneur of the Week, and this week's Girl Featurepreneur of the Week is Sonia. Congratulations, Sonia. Congratulations to myself. Like even I'm winning this title for the first time. I have been part of Featurepreneur for I think more than 3-4 months. It's been a great journey for me. It was a great platform for me to contribute my side of creativity and put forth my talents out there. And not just about a forum for putting forth my talent out there, but then I received a lot of acknowledgement and acceptance as well, I would say. So thanks to Raja sir and the admin team Vaishnavi, everybody for motivating me to do great work. So thank you so much for the title. I'm overwhelmed. So I think we've come to the end of the session. Thank you everybody for joining this week's Spin the Wheel. Keep following our meme pages and have a great laugh, and keep winning. We're expecting you in the next week's Spin the Wheel as well. Expecting you great contribution from all of your side. Congratulations to all the winners and thank you guys.